The laying of sewage pipelines, while essential for community long-term welfare, has led to frequent traffic congestions in Sangolda. Residents expressing their frustration are now calling for an immediate and effective solution to mitigate the traffic issues plaguing in this area.
काल मरे म्हाका सांगोळड्या गांवच्यान थोड्या लोकांनी फोन करून सांगलें जवळ जवळ खंय ते आतां 2 वर्सां म्हटल्यार कित्याक 2 वर्सां पयलीं सरकारान मरे सर्वसामान्याचो खर्च करून जवळ 15 कोटी खर्च करून रस्तो केल्लो आनी आतां सरकारान 2 वर्सां जाल्यार परतो रस्तो फोडपाक लागले. लोकांक पयलीं खबर ना कितें चल्लेलें हांगा साकण. तेन्ना लोकांनी थोडी शहानिशा केली हेच्या सारकिल्यान. तेन्ना कळ्ळें परवरची जी सेवेज आसा ते सेवेचो प्लांट खंय गिरी येता आनी तो प्लांटाक कनेक्ट करपाक येता सेवेची लायन सांगोळडा गांवच्यान वयता. खंयसर सांगोळडा गांवच्यान ज्या गांवांत जवळ जवळ 5-6 हजार लोक रावता लोकवस्ती रावता त्या गांवच्यान ही पायपलायन काडटा. हरशी ही पायपलायन खरी अशी व्हरपाक जाय हायवे वयल्यान पण हेंच्यांनी सांगोळड्याच्या लोकांक ग्रांटेड धरला. सांगोळडा आनी गिरी बागो आमच्या साळगांव मतदारसंघान येता. पयलींच आमी जो पिळेन आमच्या हेजो वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट येयला पळय तेका लागून आमी त्रास काडटा. आतां ती पिळा ही आतां थोड्या दिसांनी समज हे पायपलायन समज फुटलें धर परवरकाराची घाण ही सांगोळड्याच्या लोकांक खावची पडटली आनी सांगोळड्याच्या लोकांनी विचार करपाक जावो. हांवें सांगोळड्याच्या लोकांक अपील केल्लें तुमी हांगा येया म्हणून. आतां म्हाका आयकूंक येयला त्या प्रमाणे खूब जाणांनी प्रेशर घातलो खंय तो भायलो येतलो आनी हांव उलयतलो आनी तुमी कितें आंगार येतले म्हणून. हांव सांगूंक सोदतां गोंय हे प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचें कोणूय खंय उलोवंक शकता आनी हो जो प्रश्न आसा हो सर्वसामान्याचो. म्हाजी इतकेच सरकारा कडेन मागणी आसा जी सेवेचे तुमी पळय कितें करता न्हू प्लांट ते प्रत्येक मतदारसंघान घालचे आनी थंयचीच तेजी विल्हेवाट लावची. दुसऱ्याच्या गांवांत दुसऱ्याच्या गांव पाड घालपाचो ना.
Even yesterday there was a case. Ambulance was stuck over here. Almost 15-20 minutes. We couldn't move the traffic. It was just over there, horn. And after maybe 15 minutes, it finally managed to go. Then here it's so dangerous. It's like a death trap. It's worse than Banastari. These things over here, there's going to be a heavy accidents. All illegal constructions over here, schools, alcohol shops, hotels. It's not fair here. And there is a big ditch over there, open for 6 months. 6 months and nobody is doing anything.
Now it was about 3-4 months I have been going to the Panchayat and talking about the RD school, okay? Because what is being taught in a school to respect public, to be safety. They teach inside one thing and they are doing the opposite outside. Now what if an ambulance have to go this side? I'm not talking about the sewage right now. We are fighting about this RD school. Number one, the Panchayat has given them. There is parking space? No. What happens if senior citizens are sick and they want to go to the doctors and all? We are going to park ourselves here. From morning 8 o'clock till 10 o'clock, we have no way to go here. We can't even get out of our gates. Afternoon from 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock, the traffic is blocked. And on top, these are students. Give them way. What are children doing today to us? Fire brigades passes by, ambulances passes by, senior citizens want to pass. People are going to the airport. What is happening? We are going to work. What is happening? On top they say, no, this is ours. And even the RD principal has said that you do what you all want. So we are here in Sangolda and we are going to listen to these outsiders here. Is it right? You tell me. I'm not coming here to fight even about the sewage. This thing is going to go on for a short while. But what happens? We are going to be suffering here for years as long as this party comes and takes this up. Where is this parking space? Now that full road has a hole. People who are driving late night, anytime there is going to be an accident. Are they going to look after the father or mother who's going to be dead there? I'm talking about this RD school. And the principal on top says, do what you all want. It's only money that works today, no humanity. What they teach in the school and what they do on the roads.
हांव आमच्या सांगोळड्याच्या लोकांक एक कायंड रिक्वेस्ट करता तुम्ही भायर सरा. आमकां डेली हांगासर ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता. सकाळची 2-2 वरां तुम्हाला लायनीक रावचें पडटा. ही ट्रॅफिक म्हाजे पर्सनल कांय ना. हांव कोणाचे अगेन्स्ट कांय उलयना पूण हांव सांगोळड्याच्या विलेजरांक एक कायंड रिक्वेस्ट करता भायर सरा असल्या टायमार आनी आमची प्रॉब्लम जाता पळय ती सॉल्व जातली. ना जाल्यार असली प्रॉब्लमां कंटिन्यू चालूच उरतली आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक फुडें त्रास जातले.
Prakash Gadekar for Herald TV.